Hi guys, so I have decided to see if I could grow some potatoes from store-bought ones. So I left them on the window or beside the window for about 2 to 3 days now, and I've actually bought a potato planter, and I got it from Eurogiant. So here in Ireland, it's the month of June. It's first week of June. So I will try and see if I can grow some actual potatoes from store-bought ones. So today is 11th of June. I have left these potatoes beside the window to be treated for about 4 or 5 days now. They had already started to sprout when I put them beside the windowsill, or sorry, beside the window. So here is the potato growing bag or planter, and I have prepared the soil using compost and some garden soil. So I wouldn't be using the full length of the bag as of yet. I will let the potatoes sit there, and as they grow plants from it, I will be kind of mounting it with more and more compost um, over the period of the time of their growth. So I have placed them on the soil or compost and garden soil mix, and the only thing I'll be doing now is to cover them up with the compost and some chicken manure pellet mix and some garden soil mix. So compost, garden soil, and a little bit of chicken manure pellet mix. So the potatoes are all covered with soil now, or compost, and the only thing remaining now is to water the plants or the potatoes. Hi guys, today it's 23rd of June, 23rd of August, and the potatoes, or the store-bought ones, which I put in the ground earlier in kind of first or second week of June, they are growing fairly well, and I probably will keep them until they start flowering or so, and then the moment of truth will come, and I'll see if I can grow some potatoes from the store-bought ones. So this is for now. Alright guys, this is 2nd of September, and we are going to dig up and see if we have grown any potatoes at all. So let's have a look. I'm gonna pull them out. Nothing. Let's see one small one.
Baba?
I'll actually pull out the plants and then dig them up. One nice and healthy one.
Wow, Baba.
We have a few more. Ashby, do you want to try and see if we can get something?
Yeah.
Give me stars.
I think I found something.
Here. Grown few nice and healthy looking potatoes, which is very nice. And this was just from store-bought potatoes, so I had planted probably two of them, store-bought ones. Just be careful. And we have few very small ones, but as it was coming towards winter, so I've decided to dig up early so that they don't get rotten inside.
But I'm checking if I feel them. Right here.
ये देखो जी
I got one.
ये देखो ये और हो रहे थे जब हमेशा जल्दी निकल गई Okay, so we can easily see that you can grow potatoes from store-bought ones as well. So this was a nice experiment I tried to do myself. Alright, thanks.